I'm in the trap, I run okay, I'm pushing some more weight. I'm so damn high, I can't feel my face, I just put up an 8. I'm so damn fly, I'm out of space, Da Vinci with a bait. That Maybach truck, I stars inside, I'm run with my Drake. I'm blowing up my diamonds froze, that's why them niggas hate. I spin around, I bust it down, let's go on dinner date. I'm sending his.
Welcome back to another video. Today, I don't know, I've been sick as fuck the past couple days. Today we're gonna pick up the camera. We're gonna go to the gym right now. It's like, what time is it? Like 6? Anyways, we're gonna go to the gym. The Aventador's back in Miami. All 4 of my cars are here. So I think tonight we're gonna go do some shit with all the cars, go to dinner. But we're gonna go hit a lift, first things first. And yeah, I don't know if I'm making a big mistake right now, but I'm letting this dude take the Porsche to the gym and I'm gonna take the Aventador. I guess this is the point of having like multiple supercars. You can let like your homies drive them. But check out the driveway, bro. Look over here. We got the M3, the Mansory G-Wagon, the Aventador, and the GT3 RS. But now the problem is like my driveway is like small, so I have to like move all this shit. When I want to get these cars out, I gotta move these cars. And
yo, where's the power button?
He doesn't even know how to start it. This is not a good idea, bro. This is not a good idea. Bro, there's a turn knob to your left.
Oh, that's... Shit is loud, bro.
First, actually no, I picked it up last night off the truck and I drove it like 20 minutes. But other than that, first time in Miami.
On camera.
Feels on camera. Feels good to have it back. I feel bad for my neighbors, bro. They gotta listen to the fucking Porsche start, which is loud as shit. Then even this stock sounds loud as shit when you start it up against the fucking wall in the garage. It like makes it echo. My neighbors over here are mad chill though. Like I talk to them a couple times a week. I run into them outside and they're mad chill. So I think they're cool with it. He complimented me today actually on the cars. He was like, I love the Aventador. That one just got added. I was like, yep, just got this one. He was like, that's sick. I was like, hell yeah. It's too mad chill. I just got it
nasty.
back, bro. It was in the shop for like 10 months.
Ooh.
Yeah.
The white wheels, dog? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, bro.
I appreciate it.
Different level. I like it.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Skill, baby. Skill, baby.
Brad's fucking legend. Fucking legend to life. That's the guy. That's the guy. Fucking legend.
Nice to meet you, bro.
You're a fucking legend, man.
I appreciate
Yeah.
it.
Words of wisdom, whatever, how you feeling, dog? He pulled up on us in the scaled. He pulled us up in the scaled. How you feeling, big dog? What you got for?
I would say enjoy every moment of life.
Yes, sir.
Stay happy, stay positive.
Yes, sir.
And work hard.
100%, guys. Let's get it. He's about to go put in some work right now. You know
Yes,
what time
sir.
it is. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
So what do you think it was?
Bro, I don't know, but I had a bad flu.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't take my temperature or fever. It was definitely over 100. Like, I felt really sick. Like, it hurt to get out of bed type of sick. And then I was throwing up, and I literally, bro, I couldn't stop shitting myself. Like, dead ass, I couldn't. I don't know what it was, but, like, my stomach was just
That's
full.
the worst feeling. Like when you're throwing up and shitting, it's like,
Yeah.
it's the worst feeling ever.
It's awful.
I'm ready to slide, I'm ready to serve, I'm going berserk, I do you the worst, what it's worth. The money clean, but I'm dirty. I'm tweaking, I'm geeking on purpose. I'm full of that, ain't got no purpose. I'm cutting up them diamonds so perfect. Turn up.
Progress, chat. I've been locked in. We're making some good progress. Long ways to go yet. Y'all are gonna see me make it shredded. Trust the process.
Get cracked my TJR. Get cracked. Where's TJR?
The GT3 RS is indeed nice, handles well. This is actually my first time ever driving a supercar in my life. This is considered a supercar, right? I guess. Yeah, well, this is my first time driving a supercar. I mean, it's fun, it's a little uncomfortable, but definitely wouldn't want to like have this as my only car. But, shit, I mean, it's cool. I think I prefer luxury cars, but I would definitely, if money was infinite, I would have one of these. But yeah, me and Brez came a long way. I would have never thought, I'm not gonna lie, I would have never thought Brez got to just like a random dude. Random little jit, random little white jit. But shit, proud of it for real.
Well, this dude got me for my birthday. It just came in late, so I got it last night. A Mansory hookah. This shit is actually like from Mansory themselves. It's number 58. Show them that. No, you gotta come over here. 58 of 500 in the world. So I have a limited edition Mansory hookah.
Does it hit different in the lungs?
It does for sure.
Bro, that shit does hit smooth. It's nice. And I have a Mansory G-Wagon and a Mansory hookah. Like,
That's fire. You're just going to dinner, bro. You ain't gotta bring a scarf.
bro, I'm taking pictures after for
Not
Instagram.
necessary.
I gotta get to 1 million followers. I'm at 995 right now. And it goes with this fit, so like when I take pictures
Driving
of
a
all my
million
cars.
followers isn't even impressive, bro. It's not even that cool if you think about it. There's a lot of people that are doing that now. It's not even that cool with Reels' algorithm. So many people are getting it.
That's
So
true,
like,
bro.
stop it.
That's true.
We're LARPing Brez's cars tonight.
I think you got Porsche, Benny. Hey man, that's what I have all these cars for.
No, it's not.
I can't
You never
enjoy
let
them all
anyone-
myself.
He never lets anyone drive.
You
his
drive
shit.
my cars all the time. You drove the Mansory last night. You
Yeah,
drive the
because it was
M3
for
all the
you,
time.
because you needed to drop off your car. Why are we driving them tonight? Because we need him to take Instagram pictures.
No. I let you drive the GT3 RS to the gym.
For your YouTube video,
No.
you motherfucker.
No, we could have taken the G-Wagon, but I wanted to drive the Aventador.
Bro, you were like,
and you
bro,
were like, oh, so I was like,
This
oh,
whole
you can drive the
YouTube,
Porsche.
this whole
Guys,
YouTube video, so
guys.
we could all take out the cars. Bro.
No.
It's cool,
no.
bro. I fuck with it, bro. It's all good, bro. Don't even worry about it. It's all good. We all gotta have incentive here.
I love this whip, bro. Something about it. Do you like the Beamer? You been in it? Yeah, you definitely have. So far. Bro, the first to second gear upshift is nutworthy.
Look at that, bro. Oh, fuck. Bro, that was definitely me who ripped it, too. He probably like saw the supercars and didn't think that the fucking Beamer would be the one ripping it.
Y'all saw those kids in the Benz?
Yeah, bro. Fucking
It was
annoying.
those kids that fucked us. This guy was like, you guys can't be driving reckless like that. None of us were. It was those kids in the Benz, and he must have thought they were with us. So he just pulled over whoever he could.
Bro, I'm not gonna
Not a
lie, I think
fan.
it was me.
Or you, yeah.
Yes, sir. This car's gonna get towed away. Okay? Look at me. You're not supposed to be driving, at least based on what I have in front of me right now.
But if I can pull up the...
You can pull up the information and I can cross-reference it, and it tells me you have a valid license in California, Florida, whatever,
Yeah.
then you'll be alright.
Yeah.
As of now, you're driving without a license.
Okay. I could get that. Just give me 1 second.
Bro, what is going on right now? We deadass, bro. The cops found the only black person out of the group and pulled his ass over, and they're fucking him up now. So now I have to go since it's my car. Oh, I don't even think I can clear this U-turn. I have to go since it's my car and apparently go prove that it's my car or something. They were talking about towing it because apparently Benny like doesn't have his license on him, and they're like being complete dickheads about it. So we're gonna go back there. Hopefully that doesn't like get me in more trouble or some shit. I don't know. Hopefully they don't write us a bunch of tickets or something, but I don't know what's going on, bro. Oh shit. Why is there 3 of them, bro? What do you need 3 of them for? For one dude. Poor Benny, bro. Bro was just trying to go for a joyride in my car. I own that car.
Okay,
The black one.
come on.
Okay.
You come on. Yeah,
That's it.
officer that pulled him over, we'll talk to you now.
Okay, sounds good. We were cruising. They're tripping, bro. They are tripping.
And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend.
Our garlic knots. Garlic knots.
I got breadsticks.
Yes. Yes. Hey, brownies. Cookies. Yeah.
Ultimate chocolate chip.
The truck.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Yes.
All right, let's go. Let's go home, boys. We got pizza coming. Fuck Carbone. Fuck a fancy dinner. I'd rather have Pizza Hut, bro. This defeats the whole purpose of my gym grind, but we're gonna eat like shit.
Is that real Italian
There's
food?
wing, bro. This is a real Italian food. Fuck $1,000 dinner, bro. Pizza at the crib with the boys. We still got to go out, get the experience of driving the whips to dinner, valeting the whips, going in, looking fly, but then we just get to come home and eat Pizza Hut. And we saved money. And we're already at the crib in comfy clothes. There's wings too. Wings, pizza, real Italian food, bro. All right, boys, by the time this video is posted, you guys saw me post on my story that we were gonna announce the giveaway winner in this video. So now it's time we do that. We've been scrolling through the comments here for a while, finding someone who has commented on all 3 episodes of the 3-day live premiere. We found Run Up Jeremy. So he commented on all 3 videos. Here's on number 1. And then when you pop up, he commented on number 2 and number 3. So we found his Instagram as well. What I'm gonna try to do is call him. We'll see if he answers. He'll tell me one 5K. Oh, it went straight to decline. Maybe he's on D&D. He's just gonna wake up and see fucking 10 missed calls from Brez Scales. You didn't see him? Bro. Alright, boys. It's the next day. Jeremy didn't answer last night, so I went to bed. I didn't really sleep because, bro, working out yesterday was not a good idea. I feel even shittier today than I did yesterday. I feel just as shitty as I did the day before yesterday. So I'm actually about to go to the hospital right now because I'm done dealing with this bullshit. My stomach has just been cooked for like 4 or 5 days, which I don't think that that's normal. So I'm going to go get that checked out. Anyways, Jeremy responded to me this morning, but I was sleeping because I slept in late today because I didn't sleep last night. He was like, bro, why are you calling at 1 a.m.? I'm locked in on my sleep. You best call me back, bro. And then he mentioned me in his story. Nah, waking up to this is crazy because I followed him. And then he goes, yo, called me a bunch of times. So he's active right now. Let's give him a call. Better answer, Jeremy. Jeremy!
Yo, what's good, bro?
What's good, bro? Hey, so you...
Bro, I was literally in the middle of filming.
Oh, shit. Well, this is probably worth... This is probably worth pausing for.
Yeah, of course. What's up, bro?
You know my 3-day premiere I did?
Yeah, I do.
You commented scaled on all 3 episodes.
Yes, sir.
So you're the winner for the 5K.
Damn, bro, that's crazy.
I tried to call you last night, but you didn't answer, bro.
Bro, oh my god, bro, I saw it this morning. I was like, holy shit. And bro, all day I was tweaking. I'm like, bro, I'm trying to text this dude.
I was debating. Okay, yeah, I slept in hell late today because I'm sick right now. But I was debating either picking a new winner or just waiting until tomorrow. I was like, let's wait till tomorrow because if he wakes up and sees that'd be fucked up. Where are you from?
I live in Canada, actually. Yeah, bro, that's crazy. I actually my Instagram account, I just started it like a week ago because I started making like a personal brand and like posting. I'm doing like I post every day like I'm doing organic dropshipping, so I'm doing like my journey, but I've already been doing it for 6 months, so it's actually kind of crazy, bro.
It's been good?
I mean, it's been okay. Like, I haven't had my breakthrough yet. Like, I mean, I'm literally in my freaking parents' basement right now, so
you just gotta keep grinding until you get to that breakthrough point, my boy.
Exactly,
It'll come over time.
Bro, I've literally been the past like couple of weeks, I've been journaling and I've been doing so much shit, like literally working from morning to night. Hey bro, one day you're gonna look back on those times in your parents' basement. Maybe you'll go film a documentary in your parents' basement. Yeah. A 3-day cinematic premiere. Maybe a 3-day movie. Yeah. How long you been watching for? Dude, I've been watching you since when you moved out of Arizona. Oh shit. Okay. So you've been watching for a minute. Yeah, it's been a minute. Like 6 months. 6, 7.
Come on, bro.
Come on, bro. You gave me that one.
What are you gonna do with the
Dude,
5K?
Honestly, I might like try to move out and like I'm gonna try to grind this Q4 because Q4 is crazy for ecom. And then like I'm gonna make some big moves, and then I won't have to get a job. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's valid. All right, 5,000 sent. All right, you get that?
Dude, I did.
Let's go. W Jeremy, man.
Oh, bro.
All right,
Thank
Jeremy.
you, man.
Well, best of endeavors on your drop
you.
shipping journey. You should start freelance brand scaling.
I'm buying Scale 2.0 right now.
Yes, sir. Nah, but real shit. Best of luck on your stuff, bro. We'll have to give the vlog a update on your journey and things in a few like months.
Of course, bro. I promise you, in a couple months, dude, you're gonna see my come up. I'll be there.
All right, bet. I'm gonna quote you on that, bro, and all the viewers too. We're gonna remember you said that, so you're gonna be able to look back on this. All right, bro. Have a great rest of your day.
Yo, thank you.
It was great to meet you. Appreciate you watching, bro. He sent me a picture Tuesday, September 16th, like all the stuff he needs to do for the day. He had it marked down on his calendar, Brez Live, 2 p.m. And then he said, thank you, bro. Genuinely, you picked the most deserving person. This money is going to help change my life. I'm happy to hear that that's gonna go towards like someone deserving got that. Not just some person who it's like, oh, 5K, you know? Like, that's what this shit is about. Entrepreneurship is about. It's cool to be able to like help other people in situations I was once in, because he was literally saying like he's in the first phase of that whole 3-day series that I premiered. Like he's in the first phase of it. When I was in my parents' basement grinding, like trying to do everything to get myself to where I am today, like he's in that first phase of it. So like it's cool to be able to like give back to someone who's like in that first phase now that I'm in like further down the road. That's a wrap on the video. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, leave a comment down below. And if you want to join Scale 2.0, the doors are closing probably by the time this is posted, like super soon. So check the link in the description if you want to join. Hopefully I'll see you inside. Peace.